welcome everyone. So here we again. So this is problems involving limits. We want to dive into the concept of calculus, so we decided to start with the concept of limits. Problems involving limit, So look at this problem. The problem says evaluate the limits. Limits as x approaches 0 of square root of 2 plus x minus square root of 2 divided by what? By x. So to simplify the limit first, you must test and see. That is to say, you must take this value as x approaches 0. You must plug the values of what? Of x as 0 in this function and see whether it is defined or not. Now look at this. When x is 0, what do we have here? Root 2. Root of 2 plus 0, which is root of 2, minus root 2. We have something like 2 plus 0 minus 2, root 2, over what? 0, which is equal to what? Root 2 minus root 2 divided by 0, which is 0 divided by 0. So we have indeterminate. So for this case, we have two options. We can either use L'Hopital rule or we use rationalization. Or we use what? Rationalization. So let's use rationalization. That is more complicated than the one. So look at this. To do this, to rationalize this, we rationalize. We rationalize. We rationalize the what? The numerator. So look at this. What is the conjugate of root of 2 plus x minus root of 2? The conjugate is what? Root of 2 plus x plus root 2. If you have a plus root b, what is the conjugate of this? A minus root b. So you multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the what? Of the numerator, being the more complicated part of the function. So what do you mean? So this is the same thing as what? Limit as x approaches 0 of what? Square root of 2 plus x minus square root of 2 by x times, we multiply this by the conjugate, which is 2 plus x plus root 2 divided by 2 plus x. So this is mathematics. Multiplying both numerator and denominator by this, we didn't do anything to the original function. But now when I look at my original function, about this divided by this is what? 1 multiplied by this is still as it is. Ko kai multiply that the other way da yake normal. Shine abin da aka ce ne shine ka dauko conjugate na wannan abin da ke sama. Me conjugate din shi minus ne ka ne da shi na plus. If it is plus, you change it to what? To minus. So let's proceed. We have what? Limit as x approaches 0 of what? You multiply this by this. So we have what? Square root of 2 plus x minus 2 times square root of 2 plus x plus root 2 all over what? We have x times square root of 2 plus x plus root 2. That is this time this all over this times this. So what we have now? So we have limit as x approaches 0. Let's open this bracket. Root of 2 plus x times root of 2 plus x. Don't forget this. If you have root x times root x, this is the something as what? X. Because it is something as multiplying them under the same square root, so this will get with this. So what do we have now? Root of 2 plus x times root of 2 plus x. We have what? 2 plus x. Then root of 2 plus x times root of 2. So plus, we have 2 times 2 plus x. We multiply them under the same square root. Then we take minus 2 times square root, or minus root 2 times square root of this. So minus, we multiply them under the same square root. 2 times 2 plus x. Then minus times plus, we have minus. Root 2 times root 2 is still what? 2. So we have what? We still have this. X into square root of 2 plus x plus square root of what? Square root of 2. As you can see, This is what? They are all the same, but this one is positive. This one is what? Negative. So this will cancel this. And this is what? Plus 2 minus 2 go with each other. You see? Maybe you understand. So how can we proceed now? So this is what? This is equal to limit as x approaches 0 of what? What do we have left? At the numerator we have x by x times square root of 2 plus x plus square root of what? 2. What next? This cancel this. So this is limit as x approaches 0 of what? 1 by what? 2 plus x plus square root of what? 2. So at this stage, and after having simplified it to this, let me see. If I substitute x to be what? 0 in this function, the simplified function. And then another x another 0 and then simplified function, and what will happen? So this is equal to what? 1 all over square root of 2 plus, what is x? 0 plus what? 2. So this is 1 by square root of 2 plus what? 2. Because square root of 2 plus, so this is equal to what? 1 all over root 2 plus root 2 is what? 2 root 2. So you can leave it like this, or when you rationalize, multiply both this and this by what? Square root of 2. You have what? Square root of 2 divided by what? Divided by 4. You can also use indices applied further. So this. So if you have employed this, in case steps back in the chat is very easy. Thank you.